In this video, I will show you how to play Block Blast. If you are a complete beginner, then this video is for you. First of all, there are two modes that you can play. First is Adventure. Here you can climb up all the way to the trophy by completing all the levels. As you are just getting started, I recommend you to play the Classic mode first. Now, the point system is directly connected to the blocks and combos. If I place this 7-number block with other blocks, it will make a combo resulting in more points. If I place this 4-number block without a combo, it will only count 4 points. As we have understands the point system now, we can move on to the strategies. First strategy is using your revive wisely. As you can see, I got 0 life. After watching an ad, I got these new set of blocks. Instead of placing them in random places, you need to clear at least 1 row or 1 column. You can take it as a basic rule for high score, because if you don't clear anything, you will likely to get stuck. My second tip is thinking of all possibilities. It might sound complex, but as you train more, you will be able to see more solutions. For example, start by analyzing the corners and imagining how the pieces will fit, then make a map in your imagination. You can even rotate your device for a fresh perspective. This tip will help you once you get used to it. Anyways, you might not find it difficult in the start, but eventually, as you practice more, you will get better. Not only that, sometimes the game itself try to trick you by providing easy blocks. That's when you need to be careful as well. So that's it, guys. This is how to play Block Blast along some tips and tricks.